Break the ice. To start a conversation and make people feel comfortable. Example 1. The teacher told a funny story to break the ice on the first day of class. Example 2. He made a joke to break the ice during the business meeting. Hit the nail on the head. To describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. Example 1. When Sarah said we need better communication, she hit the nail on the head. Example 2. The mechanic hit the nail on the head when he found the real issue with the car. Let the cat out of the bag. To reveal a secret by mistake. Example 1. Jenny let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Example 2. I accidentally let the cat out of the bag when I mentioned the promotion before it was announced. Under the weather. Feeling sick or unwell. Example 1. I won't come to work today. I'm feeling under the weather. Example 2. She was a bit under the weather, so she decided to stay home and rest. Burn the midnight oil. To work late into the night. Example 1. He burned the midnight oil to finish his project before the deadline. Example 2. We had to burn the midnight oil studying for our final exams. Bite the bullet. To endure something painful or difficult bravely. Example 1. She had to bite the bullet and tell her boss about the mistake. Example 2. I hate going to the dentist, but I have to bite the bullet and go today. A blessing in disguise. Something that seems bad at first but turns out to be good. Example 1. Losing my job was a blessing in disguise because I found a better one. Example 2. Missing the flight was a blessing in disguise as the plane had a major delay. Cost an arm and a leg. To be very expensive. Example 1. That designer handbag cost an arm and a leg. Example 2. The vacation was amazing, but it cost an arm and a leg. Jump on the bandwagon. To start following a trend or doing something popular. Example 1. Everyone is investing in stocks, so I decided to jump on the bandwagon. Example 2. He jumped on the bandwagon and started using the latest social media app. All is in your court. It's your decision or responsibility to act next. Example 1. I've given you all the details. Now the ball is in your court. Example 2. They offered him the job, so now the ball is in his court.